This is a used 2011 Toyota Tacoma. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, split rear seats, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico, 87507.